In 100 seconds or less, I will explain what the backend of a website is. So as you know, the front-end part of any website is what you can see and interact with. The backend side is all the brilliant stuff that's happened behind the scenes and make the front-end part work. So 2 key things you need to know in order to understand the backend. The first thing is the API, and the second thing is the database. The API stands for Application Programming Interface. It works as intermediary layer between 2 machines. To give an example, if I'm using Facebook, I will send my credential to the API, and I will get my data from database. So, the key things here to understand is that the API allows the user to get the data from database, and then it will show later on in the front-end part. Click below to know more about our coding courses at Teachmecode Institute.